All right, guys. We are going to go into some of the competitors of Coinbase. So, like I said, they allow people to buy and sell. You can earn some free crypto. You have the wallet services right there. They have a card now. You spend crypto and you can earn crypto rewards. Gemini just bought a company that allows them to do that. And then one of their more profitable areas is going to be businesses that want to get crypto exposure and get an on-ramp. They have Prime, which is a prime brokerage platform, custody, institutional grade offline storage. Definitely separates them from a lot of competition. Commerce, people can accept crypto from anyone if you're a business. Asset Hub, you can list coins and stuff on Coinbase if you go through their hoops and get approvals and stuff. Developers, they work with developers to help people develop stuff. They have connections to enable users to buy, sell, and store crypto. They have Commerce, which allows you to accept crypto from anyone. Programmatically manage crypto. Rosetta allows you to integrate your blockchain anywhere. Wallet Link links you with mobile wallets. Bison Trails is pioneering blockchain infrastructure. I think that was an acquisition they made. So let's go into some other companies that are in this space. Let's see. Kraken is one. We'll go over this real quick. I would, if some of these companies come public, I would probably diversify and spread out my risk into some of these different platforms. Kraken says they're not coming public until they hit about 10 billion in value, which if they went a lot lower than that would make them look probably bad compared to Coinbase, because Coinbase went public so high. It says they're on track. Though $10 billion is a low valuation, and he would not be interested in issuing shares for anything less. So interested, but yeah, not moving forward with that right now. Here's Coinbase according to Crunchbase. This is an interesting website you can look up. This is really relevant to companies that are pre-IPO. And now they're public, so there's their NASDAQ symbol, COIN coin. One thing I really like is seeing their assets, or the number of acquisitions that they've had, and what companies they've really brought under their umbrella to build up their platform. Let's see. Bison Trails, that was listed as something they have. That was their most recent acquisition. If you hover over that, you can see what they do. It allows the user to run secure infrastructure on multiple blockchains. So it's kind of a developer assistance program, it seems. Tagomi, they bought that. It's a cryptocurrency trading platform to provide clients with trade better execution so they can keep more of their returns. So a lot of these things are just to improve their existing system. Routefire is a provider of trade execution infrastructure in the digital asset space. This is more for Coinbase Pro. So it's smart for these companies to grow by acquisitions, because it can be, there's already infrastructure built and they don't have to just redevelop it from scratch and then have another competitor. Neutrino is focused on developing comprehensive platform for analyzing, tracking, and investigating blockchain and other virtual currencies. So this may be something more for them to research what to carry on their platform. Blockspring is a place to create, share, and run functions. Who knows what that means? You can look it up. Distributed Systems is a digital identity startup and a full stack machine intelligence. So that, like I said, they're trying to be very secure and safe, being not vulnerable to hackers or people faking identities and stuff. So that helps them build up that part of their company. Keystone Capital operates as financial services, so it helps them be more of a fintech layer. Vinovate facilitates the discovery, evaluation, and purchase of private company stock and other alternative assets. Maybe that helps them build like some sort of secondary marketplace for like sort of stock-like assets. You can kind of replicate a lot of stocks and different stores of value in the blockchain space. So maybe that's something they're interested in. This is some speculation on my part. Digital Wealth is a fee-only financial planning and investment management firm. So they're rolling up a lot of kind of features that traditional banks can have, but they're specialized in crypto. So first mover advantage and really just going horizontal with this and vertically to really make their company offer a lot more features. That's the horizontal. Like they've got their main thing, and then they're building up companies that kind of give them the whole supply chain, and then they're going out into new services that bring in more revenue. And what I was trying to say is they have most of their money through fees, and with Robinhood, like the way you had like Charles Schwab and Fidelity and all that, they used to have all these fees for trading stocks, and it's literally gotten like driven down to where Robinhood offered free trading, and now everybody else does that. And that could happen with this industry. So Brian Armstrong was saying he wants to diversify where their money's coming from, and that can come from staking, like Ethereum. Things are moving from proof of work to proof of stake instead of mining. Like a normal person can join like pools of stakers and stake their Ethereum, or if you have 32 Ethereum, you can stake it. But you can get interest and all these kind of financial services on top of doing crypto. And that's they want to have 50% of fees in a number of years and then 50% in other services and things. And I think they definitely can do that. Paradex operates as a crypto trading relay platform. So, I mean, definitely building up their trading base. So, on Crunchbase, you can also go on to, let's look up Gemini. Gemini is owned by the Winklevoss twins, those guys in the social network. That's another big crypto exchange along with Kraken. They're a much smaller company. They've been around, and they're one of the more trusted ones. They've had 2 acquisitions. These are actually pretty interesting. So they have kind of taken a little different route. In Coinbase, they bought Nifty Gateway in 2019. This focuses on the NFT space. Nifty Gateway makes a fully functional fiat wallet that makes it insanely easy for people to use your NFT project. So it makes an easy on-ramp for NFTs. Blockrise, they bought that. It's a cryptocurrency platform creating the first credit card with Bitcoin rewards, and they're making a big deal about that. For Gemini now is that you can buy, like, you can get rewards using your credit card in Bitcoin or Ethereum, I think. Maybe it's just Bitcoin. They could probably expand it to be either. Now, let's just look up Kraken real quick. So you can kind of see, I like looking at these acquisitions, you kind of see what these companies are focusing on. You can't really see what they're focusing on internally, but their acquisitions can tell you a lot about where their head's at and like how they think the path to profitability and being competitive is. Kraken, so you see Coinbase has had the most acquisitions. Kraken has the second and Gemini the third. But that doesn't mean anything. It really doesn't. It's more the quality of the acquisitions. So this is the most recent, 2020 for Kraken. BitTrade is to empower users with the knowledge and tools to safely trade blockchain assets. This is an Australian company, so I think this is them pushing to expand globally. It's probably just a land grab, so it makes them more competitive on